In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play TSB on keyboard and mouse. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the keyboard and mouse controls for the Strongest Battlegrounds. So, if you are curious about the keybinds from the Strongest Battlegrounds, or if this is your first time using these peripherals, then what you have to do is go ahead and join the experience on PC. So as you can see, the controls are all listed here. When you look for the Strongest Battlegrounds from the home screen of Roblox using the search function, the experience will pop up, you can click on it, and then you will have all of them labeled on the description. So you can use G for your ultimate mode, F to block, Q to dash, key while ragdolled to cancel or evade, double tap W to run, left click to punch, and B for the emote wheel. So you can go ahead and join a public experience, or if you prefer a private server so you can practice. To use your abilities, you are going to use 1, 2, 3, and 4 on your keyboard. So once you load in, you will be able to press all those buttons. So Q is going to be used to dash, F is going to be used to block, so as you can see my character takes this defensive stance. You will be able to use B to do an emote, and as long as you enter combat, you will be able to use all of these abilities in conjunction. You can use left click to attack, so every time that you do a left click, you are going to perform a part of your combo. You can hold right click and move your mouse to move the camera, so this allows you to see in any area. And then 1, 2, 3, and 4 is going to be used to perform your abilities. Of course, the abilities are going to depend on which character you are playing, but you can still see all of them here. It is always going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, but sometimes you might have to hold the button, sometimes you might have to press it. And once you join the experience, everything will be set up for you to play. You can also connect a keyboard and mouse on a console or even a mobile device to play Roblox using those on those platforms. And you can do this as any character. So you can choose any character from the list and use WASD to move, right click to move the camera around, left click to attack, 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the abilities, and Q and F to dash and block respectively. Now, before I end this video, I want to highlight something that I've noticed. As you can see, according to the channel subscriptions, 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality Roblox videos. So I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.